Hey there, you need to stop whatever you're doing and listen to this, because this video presentation could be the ultimate ticket to your success. I'm going to show you the secrets to success, abundant wealth, prosperity, and a lifetime of happiness. You will discover empowering success habits and learn to apply them in your daily life. You will find this to be a life-changing experience. When you start to see the positive results in your state of mind and unleash your full potential. Have you ever wondered how highly successful people are able to achieve the success that they have today? That's because successful people have their own success rituals that they practice daily. These rituals are positive habits that bring positive results. Their empowering habits give them a positive outlook and unlocked their full potential. This in turn granted them the ultimate breakthrough they need to achieve greatness in life. The secret? Everything starts with your mindset. Your mind is the single most powerful asset you have, but if used against you, it can also be your biggest liability. Your mind is a powerful tool used to influence actions, because your actions are a result of every thought you had initiated. And here's the thing, to create empowering rituals, you need to reprogram your mind. You need to build your own empowering ritual that will replace the disempowering one. But before we continue, you'll need to ask yourself this. Are your fears holding you back from living life to the fullest? Are your disempowering rituals stopping you from achieving even more success? Or are you unhappy with where your life is at now? And you desperately need something that would finally give you your big breakthrough in life. If you answered yes to all the above, then you need to read this, because success rituals could be the ultimate key you need to achieve massive success and to unleash the greatness within you. Today's your lucky day because I'm giving you full access to the entire collection of success rituals practiced daily by highly successful individuals. And for the first time ever, they've been compiled into one incredible collection. Jack Ma, Mark Zuckerberg, Richard Branson, Bill Gates, David Koch, and many more. Just know that these are well-known and successful entrepreneurs who have created their own positive rituals to set themselves up for greatness. And here's your golden opportunity to learn their secrets to abundant wealth, prosperity, and a lifetime of happiness. I'm granting you the permission to model their positive results and empower your state of mind. It's your chance now to unleash your talents and go beyond your limitations. This might just be the game changer you've been looking for, considering that you're tired of letting your fears control your decisions. You're frustrated with not being able to live to your fullest potential. You know you deserve so much more happiness, fulfillment, and success in your life right now. You want to change your mindset and have a more positive outlook. You want to achieve your ultimate breakthrough that will change your life forever. And there's no better time than now to start turning the tables in your favor. Introducing Success Rituals, a transformational blueprint on how to build rituals and success and unleash the greatness within you. Success Rituals is your go-to master guide to attaining fulfillment, happiness, and success in life. You will gain insights into the daily habits of highly successful people and learn how to apply them effectively. Master the new approach to achieving great success, and your peers will be mind blown by the obvious changes you make. Here's what you can look forward to in Success Rituals. Learn and model the day rituals of highly successful people. Discover the business rituals practiced daily by highly successful individuals. Avoid the common disempowering rituals that will hinder your personal growth. Build your own success rituals to your destined journey of prosperity. Put empowering rituals into practice in your everyday life to attain mind-blowing success. Explore and apply empowering rituals for better quality of life. Master the 6 core rituals to great fulfillment and happiness, and so much more waiting to be uncovered inside. So here's the deal. You get success rituals at a low one-time investment, and you don't have to waste time attending courses or listening to self-help gurus that promise no results. All you have to do from here onward is simply apply the methods in your life in the next 30 days. These simple and result-oriented methods are easy to implement. And if you're not completely satisfied, simply return your order within 30 days for a full refund. However, I do not need to remind you that you are potentially delaying your own destined journey of greatness. But if success rituals isn't every bit as fantastic as I say it is, simply return for a full refund. No questions asked. I'll see that your money is promptly refunded. Fair enough? You have my word on it. Why wait another day? Your investment in success rituals is 100% guaranteed. Act now to snap up these fast action bonuses. Secret bonus number 1, complete checklist, step-by-step guidelines, and easy-to-follow action steps for you to break huge topics into easy, digestible chunks. Secret bonus number 2, comprehensive mind map, visually appealing mind maps to outline everything you're going to discover in success rituals. You get all the bonuses absolutely free, only if you act today. So don't wait anymore. The power to change your life is here right now. I changed my life completely by using this transformational blueprint. Please, do yourself a favor and try it out. I know you'll be amazed. The secrets to abundant wealth, prosperity, and a lifetime of happiness is here for you too. Your success and life matters, so do whatever it takes to get to the top of the ladder of success. Click the order button today to order before this deal is gone for good.
Hi there, my name's Thomas, and I want to thank you for checking out my channel and this video. If you have found any value at all from what you've seen here today, I would really appreciate a like and a subscribe so that I can continue to keep bringing you videos like this. If you have any interest in the product at all, check out the link below and you can get some more information. If you do today decide that you want to go in and check out more information on this product, I'm going to send you a free gift whether you decide to purchase or not. I appreciate your time, and I know that your time is precious, so that's the least that I can do for you. You continue to do that, I'm going to promise to continue to bring videos like this to you so you can see different products and different opportunities. And remember to make every day count. Thank you.